What happens when one of DJI's most trusted insiders goes completely silent, and then suddenly comes back with a launch window? That's exactly what just happened with the DJI Avata 360. After months of nothing, no credible leaks, no factory sightings, no certification whispers, well-known DJI watcher Jasper Ellens resurfaced with a short but explosive update: March launch. China first. And that single detail changes everything. Because when reliable sources go quiet, it usually means something serious is happening behind the scenes. And when they return with timing information, it often signals one thing: the product is moving from prototype phase to launch preparation. The quiet phase is officially over. Now let's talk about the biggest indicator. Not a cinematic teaser, not a flashy promo, a blurry internal instructional video. The clip shows how to install and activate a newly redesigned battery. The footage quality? Terrible. But that's not what matters. Internal activation tutorials only exist when hardware is already circulating among testers. These guides are typically created when review units are being distributed, which strongly suggests YouTubers and early evaluators may already have hands-on access to the Avata 360. That's not hype, that's a launch signal. Then came another major development. Italian outlet Quadro News published what appears to be official retail packaging. And visually, things get interesting. The Avata 360 is shown inside the DJI Goggles 3 interface, placed next to the DJI Avata 2. Side by side, the new model looks slightly larger. And that makes sense. A drone combining full 360-degree capture with FPV flight would need dual sensors, more processing power, better cooling, and higher power output. Earlier rumors suggested it might stay under the 250-gram category, but that now seems unlikely. DJI appears to be prioritizing performance over ultralight classification this time. Battery leaks support that theory. The redesigned pack looks flatter and more compact, suggesting improved internal efficiency rather than just a bigger battery. A new multi-battery charging hub capable of holding 3 intelligent flight batteries has also surfaced. Reports hint at better energy density, improved thermal management, and faster charging speeds, critical if this drone is handling real-time 8K 360 processing. Yes, you heard that right. Multiple leaks point toward 8K 360-degree video capture. If true, this could merge a dedicated 360 action camera with immersive FPV flight in one system. But here's the most disruptive rumor: a switchable camera system. The idea? Toggle between full spherical capture and traditional forward-facing FPV mode. Fly first, frame later. Instead of worrying about perfect composition mid-flight, you capture everything in 360, and recompose your shots in post-production. That shifts the entire creative workflow. Stabilization also becomes critical. Leaks suggest new algorithms optimized specifically for reframed 360 footage. When users can dynamically adjust framing after the fact, stabilization becomes the backbone of cinematic quality. Transmission rumors continue pointing toward an O4 class system, meaning compatibility with DJI's latest FPV ecosystem and Goggles 3. Some chatter even suggests real-time reframing previews in the live feed, although that remains unconfirmed. Now step back and look at the pattern: months of silence. Certification activity, packaging leaks, tester tutorials, and now, a defined launch window. This doesn't feel like a distant concept anymore. It feels close. So here's the big question: is merging true 360 capture with FPV flight the next major leap in immersive drone technology? Or is this a bold but niche experiment? If the leaks hold true, the DJI Avata 360 could become one of the most ambitious FPV hybrids we've ever seen, and potentially redefine how creators approach aerial storytelling. Drop your thoughts below, and if you want to stay ahead of every DJI leak, rumor, and launch update, subscribe now. Because March might get very interesting.